Are you struggling with a charge-off on your credit reports that just won't go away? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to challenge a charge-off with all three credit reporting agencies using something that most people have never heard of or have heard very little about. There's a lot of misconceptions about it. It's called Metro 2 compliance errors. This is the reporting standard that credit bureaus must use, and if a charge-off isn't reported correctly, you can actually demand that it be removed. First, let's clear up a big misconception. A charge-off doesn't mean your debt is forgiven. It simply means the creditor marked it as a loss in their accounting books. It usually takes 180 days of non-payment. But here's the key. How they report that charge-off to the credit bureaus must follow Metro 2 standards, or it could be legally disputed and deleted. Metro 2 is the standardized reporting format created by the Consumer Data Industry Association. Creditors and collectors must use this format when they send your account information to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. If they don't follow the rules, the data becomes inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable, which under the Fair Credit Reporting Act means it must be corrected or deleted. Here are the most common Metro 2 compliance errors you'll see with the charge-off. Wrong dates. If the date of the first delinquency isn't accurate, the account could stay on your credit report longer than 7 years. That's a violation. Double reporting balance. Some creditors list your account as a charge-off, but also still past due. That's conflicting information. Balance updates after the charge-off. Once it's charged off, they shouldn't keep changing the balance each month. Wrong account status. Sometimes they'll mark it open when it's actually really closed. Duplicated account. The original creditor and the debt buyer both report the same account inaccurately. Any of these errors can trigger removal if properly disputed. So how do you use this to remove a charge-off? Step 1. Get your credit reports from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You can go to www.your3scores.com. The link is below this video. You're gonna need accurate information about the accounts from all three credit reports. You're not gonna get this from the free credit monitoring or credit services that are out there. Check for Metro 2 errors, the ones that I just listed. There's more if you want to do your research. Write a compliance-based dispute. Don't just say that the account isn't mine. Instead, point out the specific Metro 2 violations, like this account is reporting a charge-off, but also past due. This is inconsistent with accuracy under Metro 2. Step 4, send disputes to all three credit reporting bureaus and keep records of everything. Step 5, if they can't correct it to Metro 2 standards within 30 to 45 days, they must delete it from your report. Here's why this strategy works so well. The law doesn't say your credit report has to be perfect, but it does say it has to be accurate and verifiable. Metro 2 is the accuracy standard. When the creditors or collectors make a mistake, and trust me, they often do, you're holding them accountable with their own rules. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process and my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports and all three scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you early in the game, you can go to summonsmaster.com to grab a copy of my exclusive certified debt validation letter. All you have to do is upload a copy of your debt collection letter, and it will create an exclusive certified debt validation letter. Or you can grab my 3-pack of letters. Link is below this video. I just asked for a donation on those. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel. Post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and Founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.